Underwriters Laboratories, commonly known as UL, is a globally recognized organization that provides product safety testing and certification services. While UL is not directly affiliated with the National Electrical Code, known as the NEC, it plays a crucial role in ensuring that electrical products meet the safety requirements outlined in the NEC and other relevant standards. The NEC is a comprehensive set of guidelines for electrical installations and equipment in the United States. It's updated every 3 years to incorporate the latest advancements in technology and safety practices. The NEC itself does not directly approve or certify products. Instead, it sets the standards that products must meet to be considered safe for use. This is where organizations like UL come in. UL tests products to these standards, and if a product passes, UL lists, classifies, or recognizes it. Listing means that UL has tested a product to nationally recognized safety standards and found it to be free from reasonably foreseeable risk of fire, electric shock, and related hazards. A listed product bears the UL mark, which indicates to consumers, installers, and inspectors that the product has been evaluated and meets specific safety requirements. Classification means that UL has tested a product for specific properties, a limited range of hazards, or suitability for use under limited or special conditions. A classified product also carries the UL mark, but the mark indicates the specific characteristics or conditions for which the product has been evaluated. Recognition means that UL has evaluated components or materials intended for use in a complete product or system. Recognized components are typically not standalone products and are intended to be installed in a larger assembly. Recognized components also bear the UL mark, which indicates their suitability for use in specific applications. The process of obtaining UL certification involves several steps. Firstly, the manufacturer submits the product to UL for testing. Secondly, UL engineers evaluate the product's design, construction, and performance to determine its compliance with applicable safety standards. Thirdly, UL conducts a series of tests to assess the product's resistance to fire, electric shock, mechanical hazards, and other potential risks. Fourthly, if the product passes all the tests and meets the requirements of the applicable safety standards, UL grants certification and authorizes the manufacturer to use the UL mark on the product. Fifthly, UL conducts regular follow-up inspections of the manufacturer's production facilities to ensure that the product continues to meet the requirements of the safety standards. There are several benefits to obtaining UL certification for electrical products. Firstly, it demonstrates to consumers, installers, and inspectors that the product has been evaluated and meets specific safety requirements. Secondly, it enhances the product's credibility and marketability. Thirdly, it reduces the risk of liability in the event of an accident or injury. Fourthly, it facilitates compliance with building codes and regulations that require the use of listed or certified products. In the context of residential construction, UL certification is particularly important for electrical products such as wiring, circuit breakers, outlets, switches, lighting fixtures, and appliances. These products are subject to stringent safety standards to protect homeowners from electrical hazards. When selecting electrical products for residential construction, it's essential to look for the UL mark. The UL mark indicates that the product has been tested and certified to meet applicable safety standards. It's also important to ensure that the product is installed correctly and used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. In addition to UL, there are other organizations that provide product safety testing and certification services. These organizations include Intertek, CSA Group, and TÜV Rheinland. However, UL is the most widely recognized and respected certification body in the United States. The NEC references UL standards extensively throughout its various articles and sections. For example, the NEC Article 110.3 covers examination, identification, installation, and use of equipment. It specifically states that equipment must be listed or labeled, and used or installed in accordance with any instructions included in the listing or labeling. Listing is defined in Article 100 as equipment or materials included in a list published by an organization that is acceptable to the authority having jurisdiction and concerned with evaluation of products or services, that maintains periodic inspection of production of listed equipment or materials or periodic evaluation of services, and whose listing states that either the equipment, material, or service meets appropriate designated standards or has been tested and found suitable for a specified purpose. This effectively mandates the use of UL-listed products in many electrical installations. Similarly, NEC Article 310.15 addresses ampacity of conductors and references UL Standard 83 for thermoset insulated wires and cables. UL 83 specifies the requirements for electrical wires and cables used in building wiring, including insulation type, conductor size, and temperature rating. Compliance with UL 83 ensures that conductors can safely carry the intended amount of current without overheating. Furthermore, NEC Article 406.3 covers the rating and type of receptacles and cord connectors. It requires that receptacles be listed and marked with their voltage and amperage ratings. UL Standard 498 covers attachment plugs and receptacles and specifies the requirements for their construction, performance, and safety. UL 498 ensures that receptacles can safely provide electrical power to appliances and equipment without posing a risk of electric shock or fire. In addition to product standards, UL also develops and publishes standards for installation practices. For example, UL 96 covers the installation requirements for lightning protection systems. UL 96 specifies the materials, methods, and procedures for installing lightning rods, conductors, and grounding systems to protect buildings and structures from lightning strikes. Compliance with UL 96 helps to minimize the risk of fire and structural damage caused by lightning. UL also plays a role in developing standards for energy efficiency. For example, UL 1598 covers the requirements for luminaires, including their energy efficiency performance. UL 1598 specifies the test methods and performance criteria for measuring the energy consumption of luminaires. Compliance with UL 1598 helps to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. The relationship between UL and the NEC is a collaborative one. UL engineers participate in the NEC development process and provide technical expertise on product safety and performance. The NEC relies on UL standards to ensure that electrical products meet minimum safety requirements. UL in turn uses the NEC as a guide for developing its product safety standards. This collaboration helps to ensure that electrical products are safe and reliable for use in residential, commercial, and industrial applications. To summarize, UL is a crucial organization for ensuring electrical product safety in residential construction. While not directly affiliated with the NEC, UL tests and certifies products to meet NEC standards, providing assurance to consumers, installers, and inspectors. Looking for the UL mark is a key step in selecting safe and compliant electrical products. The scope of UL testing and certification services is broad, covering a wide range of electrical products used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. This includes, but is not limited to, panel boards, which are covered under UL 67 and ensure safe distribution of electricity throughout a building. Another is transformers, subject to UL 506, which dictates safety requirements for these crucial components and voltage regulation and power supply. Also, it includes surge protective devices, or SPDs, governed by UL 1449, and protects electrical systems from transient voltage surges. Furthermore, smoke detectors, which falls under UL 217, ensuring reliable detection of smoke and early warning of fire hazards. And carbon monoxide alarms, dictated by UL 2034, ensuring proper detection and alarming of dangerous carbon monoxide levels. UL involvement extends beyond just testing and certification. UL actively engages in research and development to improve product safety and performance. They investigate emerging technologies and potential hazards to develop new safety standards and testing methods. This proactive approach helps to keep electrical products safe and reliable in the face of technological advancements. UL also provides training and education programs for manufacturers, installers, and inspectors. These programs help to ensure that electrical products are properly designed, installed, and maintained. UL training programs cover a wide range of topics, including product safety standards, installation practices, and troubleshooting techniques. These educational initiatives contribute to a safer electrical environment for everyone. It is also important to note that UL certification process is not a one-time event. UL conducts regular follow-up inspections of manufacturing facilities to ensure that products continue to meet the requirements of the safety standards. These inspections help to prevent substandard products from entering the market and ensure that certified products maintain their safety and performance over time. UL follow-up inspection program is an important part of its commitment to product safety. In conclusion, UL plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical products used in residential construction and beyond. Its testing, certification, research, and education efforts contribute to a safer electrical environment for everyone. By looking for the UL mark and following safe electrical practices, individuals can help to protect themselves and their families from electrical hazards. UL commitment to safety makes it an indispensable organization in the electrical industry. UL employs a diverse team of engineers, scientists, and technical experts who are dedicated to product safety. These professionals have extensive knowledge and experience in electrical engineering, materials science, fire protection, and other related fields. Their expertise is essential to the development and implementation of UL safety standards and testing methods. UL also collaborates with other organizations such as government agencies, industry associations, and consumer groups to promote product safety. These collaborations help to ensure that UL standards and practices are aligned with the needs of stakeholders and the latest advancements in technology. UL commitment to collaboration extends beyond national borders. UL works with international organizations to harmonize safety standards and facilitate global trade. This collaboration helps to ensure that products are safe and reliable regardless of where they are manufactured or sold. UL global presence and expertise make it a valuable resource for manufacturers seeking to enter new markets. The process of maintaining UL certification involves several key steps. Firstly, the manufacturer must maintain a quality control system to ensure that products continue to meet the requirements of the safety standards. Secondly, the manufacturer must notify UL of any changes to the product's design, materials, or manufacturing process. Thirdly, UL conducts periodic audits of the manufacturer's quality control system to verify its effectiveness. Fourthly, UL may conduct additional testing of products to ensure that they continue to meet the requirements of the safety standards. Failure to maintain UL certification can have serious consequences for manufacturers. Firstly, they may be required to remove the UL mark from their product. Secondly, they may be subject to legal action by UL or other parties. Thirdly, they may lose market share as consumers and installers choose certified products from other manufacturers. For these reasons, it is essential for manufacturers to take the maintenance of UL certification seriously. UL also offers a range of services beyond product testing and certification. These services include consulting, training, and supply chain management. UL consulting services help manufacturers to design safer products and improve their manufacturing processes. UL training programs help to educate manufacturers, installers, and inspectors about product safety standards and best practices. UL supply chain management services help manufacturers to ensure that their suppliers are meeting the required safety standards. These additional services help to create a more comprehensive approach to product safety. UL commitment to innovation has led to the development of new testing methods and technologies. For example, UL has developed advanced fire testing methods that simulate real-world fire scenarios. These methods help to identify potential fire hazards and improve the fire safety of products. UL has also developed new technologies for detecting counterfeit products. These technologies help to protect consumers from the dangers of substandard and fake products. UL innovation efforts help to keep electrical products safer and reliable in the face of evolving threats. In addition to its work in the electrical industry, UL also provides testing and certification services for a wide range of other products, including consumer goods, medical devices, and building materials. UL expertise in product safety extends across many different industries. UL mission is to promote safe living and working environments by applying science and objective authority to solve safety, security, and sustainability challenges. This mission guides all of UL activities and helps to ensure that UL is making a positive impact on the world. UL commitment to its mission is unwavering.